So the three sets of vows are refuge, bodhisattva, and tantric. When you take the refuge vows, it is to help you change your ordinary habituations from negative to positive. Bodhisattva vows are to help us to attain altruistic action, altruistic motivation, altruistic thinking. Bodhicitta. Then the next set of vows is higher vows, is tantric vows, which teaches us to view the world around us in an extraordinary way, in a clear, concise, and very purified manner to help us attain emptiness, to help us attain full enlightenment. So the tantric vows, which are vital to become a Buddha, the bodhisattva vows, which are vital to become a Buddha, and the refuge vows, which are vital to become a Buddha, if those are not taken, you cannot become a Buddha. If you do not take those vows, whatever yidam or meditational practices you do will not bear fruit quickly to become an enlightened being. So without those vows, can you make offerings? Sure you can. Without those vows, can you meditate and recite mantras and do sutras and study? Sure you can. But with those vows, by the power of those vows, the results is multiplied. The merits are multiplied. The swiftness and the quickness is multiplied. For example, if you want to catch a thief, if you catch a thief with a uniform of a policeman on or with no uniform, it will be quicker with a uniform. Just as a hypothetical kind of example. So like that, when you have your vows, whatever action you do, it is multiplied, it is quickened, and the results are quickened on the basis of those vows. Remember, these vows originated from Buddha himself. So therefore, there could be nothing but benefit from these vows. Once we take these vows, we have to honor them.